Hello, people of the world. We want to take a quick minute to say thank you. Without you, our content isn't possible. So we are grateful for you. A reminder to check in at RocketKidsOnline.com to see all the cool things we are doing. Get the worksheets on Teachers Pay Teachers. Discover our all-access membership at RocketKidsConnect.com. And you are watching our series 2-Minute Mindset. But don't forget to share on the go with the podcast. It's streaming now. Let's get to the show.
You might be wondering, what exactly is responsible decision making? Well, simply put, it's about making choices that have positive outcomes for ourselves and those around us. It's like being the captain of your own ship, steering it in the right direction. Let me tell you a little secret. Our choices shape our lives. When we make responsible decisions, it helps us grow, learn, and succeed. It's like planting seeds for a fruitful future. So how can we make better, more responsible decisions? Let's explore 3 simple ways that can help us in our everyday lives. Number 1, think before you act. It's like hitting the pause button and asking ourselves, is this the right thing to do? Or what might happen if I do this? By considering the consequences of our actions, we can make wiser choices. Number 2, seek advice and support. It's okay to ask for help or advice when faced with a tough decision. Responsible decision-making involves reaching out to people we trust, parents, teachers, or friends. They can provide guidance, different perspectives, and support to help us make the best choices. Number 3, learn from mistakes. Nobody is perfect, and that's totally okay. When things don't go as planned, we can reflect on what went wrong and understand how to avoid similar situations in the future. It's all about turning setbacks into stepping stones towards better decision-making. Well, there you have it. Responsible decision-making in a nutshell. It's about making choices that positively impact our lives and the lives of those around us. Remember, responsible decision-making is a skill that we can all develop with practice. It's the key to unlocking a brighter future for ourselves and the world. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this has been Rocket Kids 2-Minute Mindset. Take care and keep making those responsible decisions.